Hey everybody, Newcastle Ninja here. How you doing? This is the FreeTiger FT956-BR. That's for brown. They have a GR for green and a BK for black. And this is a nice D2 flipper. And it's a really nice sized knife. Overall, we're looking at 7.91 inches. The blade is 3.35 inches. And the blade thickness is 0.125 inches, and it's pretty nice. No jimping, but that's okay. It's a solid performer. It's a pretty much no frills, great working knife, and it's got a nice look to it. The handle itself is 4.6 inches, and the weight is only 3.46 ounces. And another appealing factor to this knife is that it's only $20.99 on White Mountain Knives. And if you use the NCN there, that comes to $18.89 for a really nice, well-made D2 liner lock with a deep pocket clip. That's yeah, pretty nice. This is a nice knife. It's a proven design, and the design that I thought of when I first saw this was the Kaiser T1. And I don't know if you want to necessarily say that this is a copy or maybe an homage to this here, but what is nice is if you are not want to be limited to a knife with just a thumb stud, which with this one here, not a problem. But this is a flipper, and it's kind of like a bigger flipper T1. So the T1, of course, is 154 cm steel. This is D2, and it's got a nice tumble finish to it. They put their little FreeTiger symbol in there. Kind of reminds me of Ganzo, and for the price, you'd think it was a Ganzo. But it is not. They got T6 hardware on it, and not much really holding it together other than the 3 screws. And yeah, overall for this one is 7.55, whereas this is 7.91. Blade on this one is 3.2, whereas on the FreeTiger, again, it is 3.35. Thickness on the steel is 120, or I'm sorry, 0.12. This one's 125, pretty much the same thing, maybe by a smidgen. The weight on this is 3.6 ounces. However, this is 3.46, and it's even a bigger package. So yeah, I love the T1. It's become a new favorite, and I've been using it quite a bit. But this does offer a little bit of a longer handle, being 4.6 inches rather than the 4.35. And I have relatively big hands, so this fits great. And just a little more going into it, this has this jimping here on the liner lock, which is easy to get to. You can see plenty of the milling that they do on the inside, so that weight is reduced. It's got a nice flat feel to it, but that neutral grip, and it's pretty smooth action, I gotta say. Smoother than the other FreeTiger I got my hands on. I don't know if this has ball bearings. I would not be surprised if it did. The other one did not. It was more like a ball, some kind of washer, kind of like with bearing ribs on it. It was weird. But the Flax Fiber Handle, that's something new for me. I don't know. Maybe it's a more economic way of doing a micarta, but it is nice looking, and it will go smooth in and out with that clip, which is a nice clip, nothing against that. And it is deep, so you are going to be pretty well covered in the pocket there. So I'll do a once over. There is no jimping on this flipper tab, but the flipper tab is nice. You get plenty of real estate for your index finger if you want to do that. You can even do your thumb like that too. And yeah, not really enough meat on there to do a Spidey flick, because it's really, I don't think that was in the intention of the design, but it does have that same type of lanyard loop as this one here, and relatively the same type of pommel or handle end shape, and just it really is a close resemblance, even to the point where they even do a little divot here like they do for the T1. I do like that they put the looks like a copper type of fitting there around the pivot. And yeah, $20.99, NCN 1889. You've got a great knife here. It's a good beater, one that you could maybe get a couple of if you want different colors, throw one somewhere else. And gotta say, been so far so good for being impressed with the edge that FreeTiger does put on there. It is sharp, and I like D2, so this is a pretty nice knife. I like it even more than the last one I just reviewed by them, because it's just got that usable, known working design of a great knife, blade shape and neutral handle. And yeah, it's nice. Got that open construction there to blow out any kind of dust bunnies from your pocket. But yeah, this is a nice knife for the money. You can't really beat it. It's a nice one. So there you go. That is the FreeTiger Flipper FT956-BR, and with NCN on if you want to get it from White Mountain Knives, which I think is right now the only place that I could find it on. $18.89, and that's free shipping too. So there you go. I'm Newcastle Ninja. Hope you liked the video. Love to see the thumbs up if you can give me one, and you are definitely welcome to subscribe. I appreciate that, as well as any comments that you got. You guys take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.